Let's look at a really simple way that you can add options to a single or multi-select field in Airtable. Let's dive in. Okay, so what I've done is I've asked ChatGPT to create a table of the 2-letter abbreviations for all 50 US states. Your data just needs to live in an Excel file or in some sort of a table. Maybe it's a CSV, but some sort of a table format. And what we're going to do is we are going to grab all of the data. So I'm grabbing this from ChatGPT. You could grab it from another website. You could grab it from Excel. Doesn't matter, but just Control-C, copy that data. I'm going to head over to my base. It's an empty base. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a field called state, and I'm going to add a single select. Now what you'll notice is if I try to add an option and I just paste everything in, I get all of my states are added right in that one field. And that's not what I want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually get rid of that option. I'm going to create the field without any options. So let's create the field. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to single click. I'm just going to single click into this state field. If I double click, you'll see that I'm now finding an option. We don't want that. So I'm going to single click into the field, and now I'm going to paste. I'm going to Control-V all of the state abbreviations. It's going to ask me to expand my table, which I will do. And now you'll see I have all of my 50 states as options right in my field. And if I look at the options when I edit the field, all of those states have been added. All of those abbreviations have been added. So I'm going to save that. And then I can either just clear out this data. I can take all of the cells there and just clear that out. And the fields will still have that option. Or if I don't want any of these, I can then also just delete the records as well. So that is a really quick way that you can take table data, paste it into Airtable, and add options to your single and multi-select fields. Hopefully you found this really quick tip helpful. If you did, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you at the next tutorial.